Let's toss it over to Phil now for more on the commodities market with his trader tip.
Hello, everybody. I'm Phil Flynn, Senior Market Analyst at the Price Futures Group, as well as a Fox Business Network contributor. Have you gone to the grocery store lately? Prices are soaring. In fact, we've seen the biggest jump in food prices that we've seen in many, many years. And a lot of that is the grain markets. Markets have been going crazy because we've had a drought in Brazil, and the entire world is looking to the U.S. farmer to save the world. What am I talking about? You know, we got kind of used to bumper crop after bumper crop year after year, and all of a sudden we had too much grain and prices were low, and something funny happened. Demand exploded, and demand continued to grow. Then we had a subpar crop in South America. Brazil's in a terrible drought, and the supplies that normally are being bought aren't there. So now it's up to the U.S. farmer to save the situation, have a bumper crop, because if they don't, prices could go up a lot more than they are, and that's what we're seeing right now. If you look at the price of grains right now, it looks like for the short term, there's a possibility that we're going to see some really tight supplies of food around the globe. Poor countries are going to be in big trouble because those prices are going to go up. For you, probably the best way to take advantage of this is invest in grain stocks. What am I talking about? ADM. That's the supermarket to the world. That's one stock that you can look at, and John Deere, because they're going to create the equipment that's going to be needed to bring in a record crop. So I'm not looking for food shortages because I'm betting on the American farmer, but the American farmer is going to need a little help from Mother Nature. And that's your trader tip for this week.
This is First AM. Check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.